Welcome to our newest listing in the heart of Watauga in the established community of Foster Village, where you can enjoy mature trees, nearby parks and trails, and it is in prime location to nearby shopping and dining. Come take a closer look. And what is unique about this home? This home was built with 3 spacious bedrooms. However, the homeowners have done a fantastic job of converting their garage and adding 2 additional bonus bedrooms. So you actually get 5 bedrooms in this home. And inside you'll find a bright and inviting space with fresh paint, new windows and doors, a beautiful wood beam ceiling, and it's ready for you to make it home. And check out this kitchen, it is stunning. It has been updated with white cabinets, beautiful accent backsplash, gorgeous counters, and this amazing space for dining. All of the bedrooms have large closets to accommodate your family. And what completes this home is its large yard. No HOAs on this premium lot. Enjoy summer barbecues on this patio and watch the kids or pets roam and run wild in this gorgeous yard. Where else can you find a 5-bedroom home under $300,000? So call, text, or email us today to schedule a private tour of this Watauga gem, and subscribe or follow to see more additional fantastic homes in the Dallas-Fort Worth area.